Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
An IMAP account in Outlook is a common way your email program connects to your email server. IMAP stands for Internet Message Access Protocol. It's essentially a set of rules that lets Outlook talk to your email provider. Think of it like a window into your email inbox, which always lives on the server. When you set up an IMAP account in Outlook, you are telling Outlook to display what is currently on the email server, rather than downloading everything to your computer. The main benefit of IMAP is synchronization across all your devices. If you open an email on your phone, it will show as opened in Outlook on your computer. Delete an email in Outlook, and it gets deleted from the server and from your phone, tablet, and any other device connected to that same IMAP account. This means your email experience is truly consistent everywhere. Your emails are not downloaded and removed from the server. Instead, they remain safely stored on the server, and Outlook simply shows you a copy. This constant connection makes IMAP ideal for people who check their email from multiple places or devices throughout the day. You never have to worry about missing an email or seeing an outdated inbox view. Most modern email services, like Gmail, Outlook.com, and Yahoo Mail, use IMAP as their standard connection type. It ensures you always have the most up-to-date view of your inbox, no matter where you are accessing it from. This seamless access and management of your emails across your digital life is what makes IMAP so popular and effective.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.